best scratch and swirl removers restore car paint, improve appearance, protect finish, increase value, and maintain a smooth, glossy surface. My today's video is about top 5 best scratch and swirl removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This scratch and swirl remover kit offers an effective and convenient solution for restoring your car's paint surface without expensive professional detailing. Designed to handle light scratches, swirl marks, water spots, and oxidation, it helps erase visible wear and bring back a smooth, refreshed finish. The included buffer pad works with the specially formulated compound to gently polish the surface, improving clarity and restoring original gloss. Beyond scratch removal, this product revives dull paint by eliminating contaminants that reduce shine, giving your vehicle a like-new appearance. Its professional-grade formula is crafted with high-quality chemicals, ensuring strong performance while remaining easy and safe for everyday users. Suitable for all paint types including clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes, it provides universal compatibility across vehicles. With its simple application process, even beginners can achieve noticeable results. Overall, it's a practical, cost-effective, and reliable way to maintain your car's exterior beauty and value. Now our second product is Favre's 500 ml Car Scratch Remover. This car paint restorer kit is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to revive dull, damaged automotive paint and bring back a deep, mirror-like gloss. Its advanced polishing formula effectively removes water spots, oxidation, light scratches, swirl marks, and surface contaminants, restoring the original richness and clarity of your vehicle's finish. What makes this kit especially convenient is its complete DIY design. It includes a high-quality rubbing compound and an easy-grip foam applicator pad, allowing users to achieve professional-level results without needing expensive machines or body shop services. Even beginners can apply it smoothly by hand and see noticeable improvements in paint quality. The microabrasive technology works gently yet effectively, ensuring safe paint correction across all skill levels. It is compatible with all paint types including clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes, and works well on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and more. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective, and user-friendly solution for restoring showroom shine at home. Our third product is Kiflick Scratch Removal Wax. This scratch removal wax kit is a practical and easy-to-use solution for improving the appearance of light paint damage and surface imperfections on vehicles. Designed for convenience, it comes with a 120 ml tube of scratch remover, a sponge applicator, and a wiping towel, providing everything needed for basic car detailing and paint touch-up at home. The formula works effectively on minor issues such as door handle scratches, light lacquer marks, and swirl patterns caused by regular washing or wiping. It helps smooth the paint surface while enhancing overall clarity and gloss, giving the vehicle a cleaner and more refreshed look. One of its key strengths is simplicity. The included sponge applicator allows controlled application, making it suitable even for beginners with no detailing experience. It spreads evenly and can be buffed easily with the towel for a polished finish. While it is best suited for light scratches rather than deep paint damage, it is still a cost-effective and convenient maintenance tool for keeping a car looking well-maintained and visually appealing. Now number 4, Chemical Guys and Synchro Scratch and Swirl Remover. The Complete Scratch Repair Kit, COM 105 KT, is a well-designed solution for restoring dull, swirled, and lightly damaged automotive paint to a smooth, high-gloss finish. It combines a pro-grade correction compound with a dual-sided hex logic pad and a premium microfiber towel, giving users everything needed for effective at-home paint restoration. The dual-action pad is a standout feature, offering a firm side for removing swirl marks, scuffs, and oxidation, while the softer side refines the surface to enhance depth and gloss. This makes it highly efficient for both correction and finishing without requiring machine polishers. Safe for all paint types, including clear coats and single-stage finishes, it provides versatile use across different vehicles while preserving paint integrity. The included ultra-soft microfiber towel ensures a streak-free wipe-down, trapping residue and preventing new scratches during cleanup. Overall, this kit delivers professional-level results through simple hand application, making it ideal for car enthusiasts who want to restore clarity, vibrancy, and a mirror-like shine at home. And our last choice is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a high-performance paint correction solution designed to quickly restore dull, damaged automotive finishes. It effectively buffs out scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and water spots, revealing a clean, smooth, and highly reflective surface. Its advanced microabrasive technology works efficiently to cut through imperfections while maintaining paint safety and clarity. One of its biggest strengths is the ability to deliver a showroom-quality shine within minutes. It not only removes visible defects but also revives faded color and enhances depth, giving the vehicle a fresh, like-new appearance. Unlike harsh compounds, it is safe for clear coats and all glossy paint types, ensuring no hazing or damage when used correctly. The product is versatile enough for both hand application and machine polishing, making it suitable for beginners and detailing enthusiasts alike. Fast-working and reliable, it provides professional-level results without requiring expensive tools or body shop visits. Overall, it's a trusted and efficient choice for restoring a flawless, swirl-free finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.